Honestly, विराट कोहली ने बोला, आई हैव नो आइडिया, आई जस्ट सेंड द ट्रॉफीज बैक होम टू माई मम इन गुड़गांव। ठीक है, मम्मी को भेजता है ट्रॉफी। सी लव्ड कीपिंग देम अबाउट हिम बीइंग द सेकंड हाईएस्ट रन स्कोरर इन इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट। इफ आई लुक बैक एट द माई whole journey when it is nothing short of dream come true for me। सही बात है। I have always known my ability, but I also knew I had to work extremely hard to get where I am today। God has blessed me with far more than I could ever ask for। I look back at my journey with a lot of grace and gratitude, and I feel really proud of it। Was he thinking about the 5400? वो शतक के बारे में क्या सोचे थे? वो बोला, if I am being brutally honest, the way I am playing right now, I am not thinking about milestone at all। Wow, if we were batting first, I probably would have gone harder, but in a chase with a total on the board, I had to play the situation। I felt like hitting more boundaries, but experience kicks in। The only thing on my mind was getting the team into a position where we could win comfortably। What has changed in his approach? में क्या चेंज किया उसके बारे में बताया कोहली ने। The basic idea is a bat number 3 if the situation is tricky। I back myself to counter attack rather than just waiting around। Any ball can have your name on it, so there is no point being passive at the same time। You don't play out a shot, you stick your strength। Today when I walked in after got out, I felt if I pushed hard in the first 20 ball, we could put the opposition on the back foot। That ended up making the difference when the crowd cheer when he walked out to bat। तो इस पे बोला कि क्या बोला क्राउड जब वॉक कर रहे थे, तो इट इज ऑल डिफरेंट टाइमिंग हैपन इफ डिफरेंट गेम, आई एम अवेयर ऑफ इट। एंड it's not it's great feeling, it's the guy walking back। I understand the crowd excitement, but I try to focus on what I need to do and not think too much about it। I am extremely grateful, it's a blessing honestly to give too much happiness to many people just by doing what you love, playing the sport you are loved in childhood। What more can I ask for?